Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again. My name is Raditya Ferdirianto. You can call me Raditya, and I'm here to discuss about strategy and method in teaching from the teaching approach that I have discussed in the last video. Okay, talking about strategy and method in teaching. What a strategy and method? Okay, strategy generally involves setting goals and priorities, determining actions to achieve the goals, and mobilizing resources to execute the actions. And then, the strategy describes how the ends or goals will be achieved by the means, or we can call it the results. In another hand, according to Oxford Dictionary, method is a particular form of procedure for accomplishing or approaching something, especially a systematic or established one. And then, for simple explanation about the correlation between strategy and method, is it is a method is the way to assist the strategy in developing the students in their learning activity. Okay, and then what a strategy that we use in this theory. Okay, basically, strategy itself has lots of terms, but in this case, I will use expository learning or direct instructions, which has great correlation with our theory, that is behavioristic learning theory. Okay, expository learning strategy is a learning strategy that puts emphasis on the process of conveying material verbally from a teacher to a group of students with the aim that students can master the subject matter according to predetermined objectives that it match with our behavioristic learning theory that the teachers as the role models in the class. And then strategy itself has some of component, which is in this session is divided into in the three parts, which is learning objective, learning material, and learner's condition. All right. Uh, in this strategy, our learning objective is the student's cognitive, which is to assisting our learning objective, we will use a procedural material as the learning materials. And then, talking about the learner's conditions, basically it is depending from the learner's maturity. There is which is young learners and adult learners it has different maturity. Okay, talking about pre-questions, I think that the students must be attract the students, or yeah, because this theory is not for individually, but from all over the class. And then to assisting our strategy, I will use lecture as the method, which is the lecture method is an explanation and oral narrative by the teachers to the class. Students listen carefully and note down the main points using teaching aids or media by the teachers. Yeah, the method itself has great correlation with our strategy. There is with our strategy and our theory. There is behavioristic learning theory. Okay, because this theory makes the teacher as the role model, as the center of the class. The teacher will be efficient in giving some explanation to the students, and yeah, it matches with our learning objective. There is the student's cognitive. Okay, and the next we have the why of learning, which is we will using the strategy. There is expository learning or trial instructions, and then assisting by the lecture method. Like I'm saying before, the teachers in this theory as the role model, as the center of the class. So the teacher must can attract the students, to engage the students, to uh, make attention to the teachers as the center of the class. So the teachers can giving some explanation and giving some example that students can implement in their behavior. Okay, so I think that's all of my explanation about the strategy and method from the behavioristic learning theory. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.